Hey guys, it's Maddie. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes. So you're going to need your dirty brushes. These are also ones that we use in the salon, so we always clean them in between with a mixture of alcohol and water. So they're always clean for every face. And then you're gonna need a pad like this. This one is just from Amazon. And you also need Nourish Urgent Repair Shampoo, which we sell at Indulge. So you're gonna get your brush a little bit wet and then get a tiny bit of shampoo either on the brush or on the pad, it's your preference. And just scrub and scrub until you don't see any more residue and there are no more suds in your brush. And make sure that once you are all done rinsing and washing your brush, that you fan it out so it can dry the way that it's supposed to look. Also, if you don't want to purchase one of these pads, I think they usually run about $4 to $5 on Amazon. I believe that's what this one was. Otherwise, you can usually find them at the dollar store, or even a little hack you can do is take a plastic clipboard that you have and a hot glue gun and just use the hot glue gun to put some patterns on your clipboard. And then once it dries, you'll have something really similar to this one. I just prefer this one because it sticks right into the sink, it's small, and it's really just super simple. And the reason that I am using the Nourish Urgent Repair Shampoo for the brushes because it's super gentle, but it's also clarifying, so it's got that minty smell and it's gonna really cleanse the brushes, but it's not going to harm them at all. And with the Euphoria products, they're aloe based as well, so I know that it's super good for my face. Brushes like this one, this is usually a brush I use for concealer and sometimes foundation. This brush is a little bit more dense, so it's got a little bit more product buildup in there and it really likes to hold on to the suds, so just make sure you rinse and swirl and wash the brush until you see no suds and no product in the brush. Alright, now you're gonna need some elastic bands, got my brushes, and a hanger. Whenever you're drying your brushes, you want to hang dry them. If they're upside down, they're just laying down, they're not gonna get the right shape, and also water can get into the brush and loosen the glue and ruin your brushes. So all you do is you take the elastic and put it on the brush, and then you're gonna swoop it around the hanger and back onto the brush. For the eyeshadow brushes and the slimmer brushes, I will sometimes loop and go around the brush twice before I put it on the hanger, just to make sure that it is super secure. my brushes are hanging, and I put a towel down to catch any of the water. And here you are, nice clean brushes.